Alright, we're going on a quick test drive here. The steering wheel is slightly off center. And the car wants to pull to the right a little bit. Hitting the brakes kind of hard there. They feel solid. Stops really nice. Shifts really nice. I'm gonna hit the brakes pretty hard here. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, they're solid. Stops really nice. This thing sounds really good. Typical rattles. I'm going to take a look at the gauges here. Just the steering wheel being slightly off center and it pulls to the right a little bit. Other than that, this thing drives really nice. Alright, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now all of this is painted. Looks really good. We're going to start with this wheel though. Has a little yellow hue to it and some stains. So it could use a really good polish. Looking at the edge. I don't see any curb rash there. Here on the fender. Got some scuffs there. Got some chips here. You're gonna see a few small dimples in the paint every once in a while. It's gonna be hard to see that in the lighting. Right there, if you can see that. So you're gonna have a couple of those here and there. Getting up close. See how pretty that is. Looks awesome. Mirror looks good. A-pillar's clean. Now you are going to see some swirls in the paint just from everyday washing. A little bit of marring. You have some imperfections here and there. We got a couple chips down here. We have a chip there, another one here, one right there, one there. This wheel needs some polishing as well. Little scuffs, but I don't see any curb rash. Looking at the tires. have some chips here. You have some chips right there that have been touched up with some scuffs. That headlight looks good. You're gonna have some chips here. See that. Lower section looks nice. We have some chips in here. That looks good. Gonna get under here. Making our way down the fender. Upper section's looking good. You do have some cracking on the paint here on the SS part. You have some scuffs. You have some stains. They have that yellow hue to them. You have a crack right there. Some little dimples. Roof looks good. You have some chips, just kind of notating a few where they're at. They're on the bottom side. You have some flaws in there. You have a deep gash right here. Couple more rock chips. Looking at that wheel, this one's actually fairly clean. I don't see as many stains on it. I don't see any rash. The tires look like they have a date code here on this one, at least of 2012. You do have a chip there. Could be a small crack. Got a chip here that's been touched up, a little scuff. The rest of that edge is good. You have some damage there. And looking at the deck lid, little swirls here and there. Overall looks good. You can see the hard tape line there. That looks really nice. Got some cracking in here and on the edges. And you got some paint runs right here. And then you have some paint runs here. Kind of hard to see in camera. Get under here. Alright, checking out the interior. It's a non-smoker. Handles on there nice. Windows roll down effortlessly. That trim looks good. That bolster's really nice. This one though does have some rips and a lot of wear. Upper section looks good. Typical wrinkles here, but no other wear. Steering wheel's in great condition. Love the column here. It's all color matched. That looks good. You can see the VIN here. Looks really nice. That works great as well. And while I'm here, I do have some cracking there. All right, here on the back seats, they're in great condition. Got a reach back here. Look at that. It looks really nice. You can see some light rippling on that headliner trim on the edge. That side looks good. Seat backs look good. And looking at the seat itself, bolster's in great condition. That edge looks good. I mean, these look perfect. You can see they even did the striping in here. Looks good. That panel, that's in great condition. Handles on there pretty secure. Those roll up and down really nice. Same there. Super smooth. All right. Looking in the trunk. And looking at the jams here. Let's see the flaws there. Like I said, you can see that hard paint line. Most of that is hidden though when you shut that trunk. All right, we're gonna scan through this engine bay. Battery is from 6 of 2020. Looks really nice. Underhood is painted.